we're looking at the future trends for today's chefs. So it's basically just to give you guys an insight into where the trends are moving so you can keep up to date, and Unilever Food Solutions is here to support you guys.
So it's very important for us to ensure that we're actually delivering both value for ourselves, but also for you at the end of the day. Hence our investment in the time and resource to actually put together this report. We have chefs around the world. We look at different trends. We have interviews with industry experts, chefs who are working, and come up with this report of how do we take it forward? How do we prepare for what tomorrow has on offer?
The food that you're going to taste is amazing. And as you go through the trends and the different dishes, think about what could apply in your space, because the trends and the recipes are available online. So you can actually just download them and transform your business, because we want you to win. And that's the heart of Future Menus and these trends. We want to see you flourish. So these trends are just one of the many initiatives that Unilever Food Solutions engages in. First one is the diner designed trend. It's all about giving the diner an opportunity to decide what makes sense for them. It's you and the diner kind of communicating and personalizing the experience. The next trend is all about embracing our heritage. It's called the Culinary Roots. It talks to the authenticity of the food that we eat. How do we take and transform and modernize and bring it into today's world? Borderless Cuisine. As South Africans, I think we all know the power of diversity. The Borderless Cuisine is all about embracing that, taking different cuisines from around the world and bringing it into one place. Street Food Couture is all about really taking the silly, playful, less formal dishes and less of what you want, but more of what people want, and transforming them into something that they really want to have.
Today also serves as a point of inspiration for everyone to look closer and reconsider both the ingredients that you already know of and the ones that maybe have been overlooked or forgotten from the past.
Always for me, future menus is to see what are the new flavor profiles, what are the new combinations that people are coming up with. So future menus, and also, the trends. Is it more street food? Is it more convenience foods? Because convenience foods are very, very big. So future menus, that's what it means to me.
It was a great initiative this year. We're improving as we go. We can see that our customers are remaining engaged about this. So we are growing as a movement, and we are delivering the localization of the global trends that we are receiving from different teams globally. So we are getting there, and we are really loving the fact that it helps our customers staying ahead as well. So it's a success, and we are really grateful for that.